how to verify age in VRChat. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your age in VRChat. Make sure to watch till the end and let's get straight into it. First, open up VRChat on your PC and log into your account like you normally do. Once you're in the main hub, press the S key on your keyboard. That'll bring up the menu. Now look to the top left corner and click on your profile name. That opens your profile tab. Under your current rank, you'll see an option that says Get Age Verified. Go ahead and click on that. It's going to show you one link. Click it. And it'll redirect you to the VRChat website. Now here's the important part. Before you can actually verify your age, you'll need to subscribe to VRChat Plus. That's their paid subscription. So yeah, without that subscription, the age verification won't go through. Once you've subscribed, you'll be able to complete the verification through their system and unlock access to age-restricted features. And that's it. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next one.